Hey everyone and welcome to Beautiful Within. As you all know, I've just returned from a travel and I was just unpacking, so I got an idea that I can shoot my in-flight essentials with you all. There are certain of the products which would be similar to my handbag essentials, but again there are certain products which I don't carry on a daily basis or to work, or let's say whenever I'm going out. They are required only when you're traveling, and especially if you're traveling by train or by flight and you have long layovers or you have a long flight journey, it is extremely essential that you carry all that with you. So let's get started. First of all, I mostly carry my flight essentials in these kind of bags which I get from subscription boxes. You can use any of the pouches and do the same thing. So mostly this has my beauty and my skincare and those kind of essentials, like hygiene essentials. This has mostly my electronic essentials because this is a bigger bag, and of course I have a book which is separate. So let's get started now without me doing more of the talking. First thing that I keep is a face mist or a toner. This is the Chronocare toner, which I use as a face mist because it's too diluted. You must have seen my review. So this is something that I use because when you're having a long flight or you're having a long travel, it is extremely necessary that you keep your face hydrated, and also it really helps to freshen you up instantly. Let's say it's a long flight, you can't keep washing your face all the time. Instantly freshens you up, which is why I recommend that. Then of course I would recommend comb and hair ties, because you never know when you want to just unwind, relax, and at times when people have long hair, they really need a comb when there are longer layovers. I hope you understand what I mean. And in case you're wearing a clutcher, use a hair tie, keep a hair tie. In case you're wearing a hair tie, keep a clutcher. I at times get bored also. So let's say there are 2 or 3 flights which I have to catch back to back. Then at times I'm wearing a clutcher once and I'm wearing a hair tie once, and the likes. Then you of course have to carry a lip balm. I would say carry a hydrating lip balm, like something like this is a Body Shop one. I've removed the label. Body Shop Vitamin E one, or the cocoa butter one rather. So this really helps to keep your lips hydrated. Whether it's any kind of travel, I've seen in train, bus, flight, any kind of travel, your lips need that hydration, because at least I can say for myself, my lips start drying at instantly when I move out. So yes, you need that. Then you need a hand cream. Hands also get dried. I don't know why, even my oily skin gets dried when I travel. So this is a Kama Ayurveda hand cream. You can keep any of the creams. One thing also, make sure that you're carrying as small a tube or a bottle. And of course for toners and all, don't carry something which is greater than 100 ml. That is of course understandable. Carry a face wash with you because of course you have to freshen up. I'll just say you have to freshen up to that, so that I don't have to give very long explanations. Carry a sunblock. This is by Bioderma, the SPF 30. You can carry any one which you like. I just carry it because it's very travel friendly. It's too small, so it's travel friendly. You need the sunblock. Even if it's a nighttime flight, maybe you're reaching somewhere in the morning or something of that sort, make sure it is in your vanity kit, in your travel vanity kit. Then there's a lipstick. Carry a lipstick if you feel like if you're going for, let's say, a business travel, or you're going to someone's home and somebody's coming to pick you up. Maybe you would want to just apply a lipstick. Any nude lipstick or any kind of lipstick that you like is good enough. Then there's something stuck in the bag. I keep my toothbrush and my toothpaste. Now some people would say I prefer carrying mouthwashes. You can do that, completely up to you. I always prefer carrying my brush and my paste, because I mostly brush. The last thing that I do at night is I brush my teeth, and the first thing I do in the morning is the same. So I mean this something which is irreplaceable for me. I can't really use a mouthwash and feel fresh enough. Also, if I'm like eating something sweet and things like that, if I have time, I would prefer brushing my teeth. So I keep that. Then something to pass your time is a nail polish, any nail polish that you would want. And these are the kind of nail polish removing pads. So I'll just show you. I got these from Big Bazaar. These are the kind of pads. They are soaked in, let's say, nail polish remover. Even if they dry up, you can use your own nail polish remover on them, and then you can use it as a remover pad. Carrying acetone removers might cause a problem in security, so I carry these pads and a nail polish. This is to pass your time, frankly. I have done this tons of times. If you have more than 2 hours of layover, you can paint your nails and do all kinds of things that you would like. Then there's some basic things. I carry a perfume. I mostly carry a small perfume, which is a sample, to freshen up. You can also carry a deodorant. I mostly do not carry like a deodorant, but I mostly carry a perfume only, because my deodorant mostly lasts for let's say 5-6 hours is what, and I don't keep reapplying it the entire day. But perfume, yes, just to feel freshen up, I carry it all the time. Then carry some earbuds and some bobby pins and safety pins. This is what I have, and then it's empty. And then yes, I have a tissue and a cotton, which I keep just in case. I mean, you can carry wet wipes as well, and I mostly carry a tissue and a cotton. I do carry wet wipes also. It must be there. So let's see. Then comes my electronic bag, which yes has my wet wipe and my sanitizer in it. This I got by Air India flight. This is a wet one only, I guess, hopefully. And yeah, my sanitizer, which I've kept here. I don't know why. Actually, I'm actually unpacking it in front of you as well. So which is why I guess it's there. So yes, so then there is an eye mask. This is a regular eye mask and earplugs. Carry these, okay? Like just even if you have a 4-hour kind of a journey, carry this. You can fall asleep instantly, or you can take a nap or something, and they just freshen you up. So I would definitely recommend you carrying an eye mask and earplugs. Then I carry a book. It should be like of this kind, this thickness, because otherwise it's going to be too heavy. I mostly carry my Kindle. This time I carried a book. Otherwise you can carry your Kindle if you have one. That's also pretty light. Only thing that during your security checks you'll have to remove the Kindle and put it. I mostly don't. If I'm carrying a laptop, I carry my Kindle also. If I'm not, I mostly carry a physical book. And especially for family holidays, I carry a physical book only. So then I carry my charger. Of course, I carry my phone also, but I'm shooting from that, so can't say that, can't show that. And this pouch here has my earphones. Make sure you carry your earphones. You'd never know when you want to watch a movie or you want to watch something on your phone. And please make sure that you are not disturbing people around you by watching it on loud. I'm sure all of us ladies at least don't do that. So these were my in-flight essentials. It's completely up to you what you want to carry. This is what I carry, and I thought of sharing that with you. Until next time, thank you for watching Beautiful Within. Bye-bye.